America's health care, of all the countries in the world, who spends the most on health care? Yeah, we're number one. We're number one. Next slide. Who spends the most on pharmaceuticals and drugs? USA, number one. Next slide. Who spends the most on medical research, on learning? It's us. It's us. USA, number one. The World Health Organization ranks us 37th out of 191 developed countries for performance of healthcare, despite spending way more money than any other country. Is that flabbergasting? It's probably not surprising. You probably heard that before, yes? Who's heard of that before? Just one of you.
I've not heard word right.
Yeah, 37th. Next slide. America's health care has a serious problem. What we're doing now is not working. It is not effective. 74% of Americans are overweight. 38% of children are overweight. 71% of young adults are unfit, is what that word is supposed to say, to serve in the military. 34.5% of adult Americans have pre-diabetes. 30% of teens have pre-diabetes. Cancer in young adults is up 79%. 25% of women are on antidepressants. Is that surprising?